You wanna feel the vibes? Come with me.
Do you
Step,
remember
hit. Good.
the very first night of September? You were acting all nice.
Arms up while you punch, you're guarded.
But you ain't
You've been
so
hurt
sweet,
before.
I love it. Made me suffer. You
Roll.
had me thinking that you'd stay that night on the weekend. But you're all talk, girl, no reason. But baby, it's okay, we're even. Keep on leaving.
Practice this move. Take it out, close, out, close. Chest and around. Good, one more time. I want you to pretend you're closing a gate and there's a demon trying to escape. Close it. Chest around. Yes. You have to save the town. Woo! Party! Roll! That move is kind of abrupt. Party! Roll! Are you dizzy? Alright, just chill. Wow. Let your equilibrium come back to you. This is your victory dance, because you closed the gate. Roll! It's like we're in Stranger Things. Step out. Again. Prepare to close that gate. Maybe it's a monster coming through the gate. Maybe it's a metaphor for your ex. Close it. Woo! A little more determination. Party! Can your head touch your knee? Star. Pull. Good. Dramatic. Pull. Open. You know what I never did? I thought I never pressed record, but I did. Wow, good for me.
Thanks for going on a bender with us. If you want to keep dancing with us, you can click right here to sign up for the Booty Army. That gets you 60-minute weekly sweat sessions. And if you want to watch the official video by Matoma, click right here and you can stream it everywhere you stream music.